Experiencing no service, call failures, or network resets on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? You're not alone. These issues, often related to signal processing and antenna calibration, are common. First, perform a network reset by going to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. This clears Wi-Fi, cellular, and Bluetooth data, resolving many cached errors. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off or force restart your device. Hold power volume up, then power button. If problems persist, update your carrier settings via Settings, General, About, Carrier Settings Update. These steps address the most frequent software-related causes of cellular drops. If basic resets don't work, use Apple's field test mode by dialing 301M12345 to check signal strength. Values below 100 dBm for RSRP or RSRQ indicate signal drops. Test in safe mode by holding volume down and power button to isolate if it's a software issue. Try a different SIM card to rule out hardware issues with the current one. If using multiple eSIMs, switch to a single carrier eSIM to avoid conflicts. Contact your carrier to check for network side problems. As a last resort, perform a full factory reset after backing up data. Go to Settings General, erase all content. If nothing works, hardware defects require professional Apple service.